Okay, so I'm now getting hold of the unloading. Kind of have to put that, touch right there. I don't know if you lot can hear what I'm saying or anything. I'm not really good at doing these unboxings, but let's see how it goes. This is the toy. And lady. You know, she's kind of dress trendy. Cool shoes, they are, and actually quite cool. And they come off in a really nice socks. Nice feet. Haven't been done up properly. I've got this to finish birth certificates. Good to fill in, plus you can take it out with you and if necessary you can put it's a Reborn doll, not a shroud. Not to be nasty, it's just with it being super realistic. And also I'm going to cover it with the birth certificate with sellotape. This will preserve it in the bag, obviously. Okay, so she's ready for an innocent walk to the shops. I apologise for keep putting the blackness, we're so often to do certain things. I'm putting the tablet I'm recording on down and doing the crush up and do it on video. I should probably do it. Normally I like doing it on video in segments. But my tablet needs taking to repair an e-shirt and then shop in a certain street shirt. You know, your e-store or any other one where you get your tablet from mobile repaired, it's not an essential shop. But your off licence is an essential shop. How does that work? Well, we don't know how it works, do we? Oh well. Hang on there.